Here's another unboxing video for the Roccat Kone XP Air. I think the Kone Air came out maybe 1 or 2 years ago. I got both the black and white version of that, and yeah, I just don't use it. It's really a watered down G502. Yeah, it's missing these buttons, and it was missing some other features that I really liked. So I just don't use it. But I picked this up mainly because of the LED RGB lighting on this. Looks really nice. It comes with the dock, and it has all the buttons that were missing in the original Kone. This is the Kone XP. They also had a wired version that was a little lighter and a little more affordable, but I didn't care for that. I got this one, and I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. Here's a scroll around the box. I'll do some comparisons later, but yeah, I was a big fan of the Roccat mouses maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And then, I don't know, they just need to pick up the game again. So, let me start unboxing this for you guys. The box is pretty large, and not that, you see it's crushed already. It's not that, how you say, premium feeling, but it's alright. So first is the charger in the back. It's really nice form factor. It has the lighting on the bottom. I'll charge it up later so you guys see. Put this in. Okay. And we got the mouse right here. Some instruction books. Plug this in. Here's the mouse itself. Really large mouse skates, which I like. It has the buttons on the side right here. It's the sync right there. First thing, just picking it up, it's really light. I really don't like my mouses to be that light, but this one is right in the middle. I think it's like under 100 grams. Really large. Turn it on. So look at the lighting on this. This looks like it's kind of maybe rubber, but definitely they put a different surface material on this, a coating maybe. It's not rubber, it feels like rubber, but it's not. It's just hard plastic. Really nice looking lighting. Dock's just like that. Really secure. Just show you guys the clicks. Oh, that's nice. Scroll wheel. I think there's about 15 buttons here. I don't know, you guys, right? They put 4 buttons here. Put the shift, DPI shift right here. 2 buttons here. Another button here. I think this is DPI. Scroll wheel has left right clicks. Now I'm just going to do a quick comparison between this and one of my favorite mouses from Roccat. It's the Roccat Leader. Now this mouse has been with me maybe for like, I don't know, 6 years? I'm not exactly sure how long I had it. I've been playing with it on and off just because of the amount of buttons you have on this, and this right here, you can use this to scroll or pan, for your browser, up and down. It's really good. The shape of it is very similar. I would say they shaved down a lot of the weight and added this really nice lighting to it. Shame they couldn't have the pan or the scroll button, right? Scrolling flipper over here. But just my initial impressions, this is really top tier mouse, I think. Definitely for me with my productivity it'll help because of all the buttons. I really like mapping out all these to my copy paste calculator, and not even bind some to sound up, down, or play next. Let's do a comparison to the G502X, about the same size. I think the G502X, I've been playing with it, and honestly I think it's the upgrade from the 502 to the 502X is really minimum. You just get the better LED lighting, a little lighter, but that's it. It's like really the same mouse, these two. The clicking on it is a little sharper, but yeah, not much of an upgrade, I think. Was it worth it? If you don't have the G502, the G502X, I would pick it up. But if you got the G502, it's really not necessary. I did get used to this little gap right here. I think I'm gonna put tape over it. Yeah. Anyway, back to the Roccat Kone. Do a quick pan of the entire mouse again. Here's the front. The angle is not as sharp as the 502. Look at that. Notice that. Another thing I like about the 502 is that the end, it doesn't catch my ring finger because there's a little separation right here. This Kone does not have that, so if you're playing a sniper and you need to right click a lot, you might catch your ring finger. I noticed that last time, but this one, the Leader, didn't have that issue, which I really like. The old Kone that I had, again, I really didn't like that mouse. This one seems like a fair upgrade with more buttons, lighter, and cool charge stand. So that's gonna be my quick unboxing and my thoughts on the Roccat Kone XP Air. Okay, I'll leave the links on where to purchase it online, and maybe the price drops. It's really competitive right now for the like this shape of the mouse. Like this is the Razer Basilisk, which I'll review in the next video, and you got obviously the G502X. Like, look at this. Yeah, both of these mounts are pretty much will get the job done. Just depends on the lighting that you like and the weight and the feel of the buttons, basically. This one, impressions, is pretty good. Alright, that concludes my video. Thank you.